Hello friends, in this video we will talk about fundamental commands. So why fundamental commands are necessary? Because when we start making program, what we actually did, we pick up the symbols. Okay, but later on when we have some experience in the program, we are now required to make a larger programs. So at that time picking symbols is quite time consuming. To save our time, we use the fundamental commands. Okay, there are three fundamental commands: LD, LDI, out. Okay, LD we use this command for some NO, normally open switch. Okay, LDI is inverse of LD. It means we use it where the NC is required, NC push button, NC switches are required, and OUT represent output. So whenever there is some output, we can use the command out. Okay, let's see in the programming window how we use them. So this is our programming window. Let's see how can make them. First, see, when we are making some program with the help of these NONCs and other things given there. So what we have to do, we have to double click on this one. Then this window is up here. Here we can name them, comment on them, and then click OK. And then it will appear here. Similarly, when we have to take output, we will click here. This will open, comment it, and okay. So every time we have to move our cursor from here to here. Okay, now if I use fundamental commands, I can save my times. How? Let's delete them. Sorry, let's delete them. Okay, now if I have to make just an NO and an output, what I have to do? For NO we will use LD space X0, so I do not require to touch my mouse. For output, OUT space Y0. This is output. So see how simple it is. We do not have to require to touch our mouse each and every time. Similarly, for an inverse input, also we can say for an NC, LDI space X1. And here we can use Y0. Then by F9 you can get it. Click on the simulation. For compile, you can use Control plus F7. Here this is given. This is shortcut for compile. Compile for online. Here is also a shortcut for online. Let's see what is it. Shortcut for online is Control plus F4. Control plus F11 is for run. So this is how you can make a program without using your mouse. So your both hands will be involved in or engaged in writing a program. This will save your time. Okay, so click on X0, output will on, off, and now by clicking on X1, the output will off. So it is very simple to use this LD, LDI in output fundamental command. Just start using this command to make the program. In starting, it will be difficult. You will forget many times what we have to write. But after making one, two, or three programs, it will become your habit. Then you can use these commands to save your time. You can make big programs. You don't have to touch your mouse each and every time. Okay, so just try it. Okay, see you soon in the next video.